Nomenclatures of heterocyclic compounds. Basically, heterocyclic compounds commonly known by their common name. Also, you can give the IUPAC name on the basis of prefix and suffix. While giving the IUPAC naming for heterocyclic compounds, you have to remember the prefix and suffix and give to its priority. Heterocyclic, you know very well, heterocyclic compounds contain the heteroatom such as oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen. So while giving the priority for oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen, the first priority goes to the oxygen, second one sulfur and nitrogen, and later on the phosphorus and any other element. Is prefix for oxygen is oxa, sulfur, thia, nitrogen, asa. Then suffix is depending upon the ring structure. Any heterocyclic compound which contain the 5-member ring structure, so you have to use the suffix as OLE. If the structure containing 6-member ring structure, you have to use the in as a suffix. Then if the structure containing 7-member ring structure, you have to use the ipine as a suffix for the heterocyclic compounds. While combining prefix and suffix, you have to remove the terminal A from the prefix. If the structure containing one or more heteroatoms, you have to give the priority to the heteroatoms which contain the structure. Take the example of the isoxazole. Isoxazole contain the oxygen and nitrogen, so you have to give the first priority to the oxygen. While giving the IUPAC numbering and the naming to the heterocyclic compound, you have to remember the ring position. Then you must know the heteroatoms which contain the structure, and the heteroatom must get the least number as a smaller number to the heteroatom. Then this numbering should be done in the manner of anti-clockwise direction. Take the example furan. Furan is the example for heterocyclic compounds. Furan is 5-member ring structure. How you can determine the furan is 5-member ring structure? You have to give the numbering to the structure. First identify which heteroatom present in the furan. It is a oxygen. Then the first number should goes to the oxygen as a 1, then second, third, fourth, fifth. So 5 carbon atom present in the furan, so it is a 5-member ring structure. You have to remember the order of priority for giving the IUPAC rule. So you have identified first one is a heteroatom which is a oxygen, then the ring structure which is a 5-member ring structure. So oxygen containing, it is oxygen, for prefix for oxygen is a oxa, and suffix is 5-member ring structure. You have to use the OLE as a suffix. Then combine with the prefix and suffix. While combining the prefix and suffix, you have to remove the terminal A from the prefix. See, oxa plus OLE, you can get the oxal as a IUPAC name for furan. Take the another example for IUPAC rule of heterocyclic compounds. Example is thiophene. Thiophene is contain the sulfur as a heteroatom. So first identify the heteroatom present in structure which is a sulfur, and give the numbering to the structure as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a, according to carbon. You can give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this structure is a 5-member ring structure, but you have to remember the prefix for sulfur is thia, and then suffix is depending upon the 5-member ring structure or 6-member ring structure. The suffix is for thiophene which is a OLE. Why OLE? Because of it contain the 5-member ring structure. While combining the prefix and suffix, you have to always remember, you have to remove the terminal A, and that will be the name for the thiophene which is a thiol. Take another example.